This fireworks soup gurgles and pops, salutes and reports. They don't know when to stop. Sparklers crackle, they sizzle up foam, thinking about the girl who took Fiddler home. She took him home 'cause she needed a friend. She needed one too, but that's not how this ends. Many years later, their paths cross again, wondering all about what if way back when. She took him home. He was obliged. He thought that he saw love in her eyes. Love for the music, love for the man, love for the fiddler she took by the hand. She took him home 'cause he needed a friend. She needed one too, but that's not how this ends. Many years later, their paths cross again, wondering all about what if way back when. In 3/4 time, their waltz was brief. Strange how a short dance can cause so much grief. These things have a way of coming full turn. Miles more to travel, more lessons to learn. She took him home 'cause he needed a friend. She needed one too, but that's not how this ends. Many years later, their paths cross again, wondering all about what if way back when. Yeah, she took him home 'cause he needed a friend. She needed one too, but that's not how this ends. Many years later, they are Facebook friends. They're wondering all about what if way back when. Yeah, wondering all about what if way back